Meghalaya's Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma honoured the sports champions of Meghalaya Games 2024 and the Khelo India Youth Games 2024 at an event in the U Soso Tham Auditorium, Shillong on the 5th of February 2024. Ministers Ampareen, Lyngdoh and Shakliar, Warjri joined in distributing cash awards to medal winners across various disciplines. Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma commended the achievers, emphasizing the importance of celebrating their success and showcasing them as inspirational figures. He expressed gratitude to the MSOA sports associations and the sports department for contributing to the success of the Meghalaya Games. Special recognition was given to the football team for bringing pride to the state by winning the Khelo India Youth Games. Sports Minister Shakliar Warjri encouraged athletes to use their cash awards wisely to enhance their skills and strive for greater accomplishments in the future.
East Khasi Hills boys Danish for the felicitation of sports achievers. So I would like to thank all our guests and dignitaries.
In wrestling, we have ranking woman from East Khasi Hills District. Please come forward. Obadiah Kelpon, please come forward.
After Taekwondo, we will move on to athletics. The few winners from athletics: Joyful Narlong, Ribhoy, Linti Jikerman, Southwest Khasi Hills, Marcellus Ramsey, Southwest Khasi Hills, Primus Rockhi from Ribhoy, Renaldi Dhar, West Jantia.
That we would like to make you as icons and as motivation for other youth to be able to look at you and say that, well, I would like to be like them. And I would like to also be one of those people who are able to achieve. And hence, I would like to tell the youth who are here today that you have a very important and responsible role to play. Today, you might think that you just won a medal. But it's not about just the medal or the award that you will get. It is about the recognition that you're getting today in the state. It's about how your colleagues, your friends, other youth of the state today are looking up to you. Hence, I would request all of you that be that responsible person. Guide other youths. Tell them your story of how you have done and achieved what you have achieved. That you will face challenges in life. But it is how you face them and how you improve and how you overcome them. That is really what matters. And I'm happy to see that the MSOA, the sports department, and all the organizing committee members overcame many challenges and we're making the games better and better every year. I really look forward to the games in Gentle Hills in July, which will be in about a year's time. And I hope that all of you have started practicing for the event. We really hope that this year we had about 3,000 athletes. I'm hoping that we will be having many more in the next games. Hopefully maybe 4,000 to even 5,000 athletes participating in the future games to come.